Hey guys, welcome into this new video to Express. I'm going to be showing you how to earn money using Canva. So there are a few ways that we can earn money using Canva, but in today's tutorial, let's talk about the affiliation of the Canva Pro stuff. So we want to join the Canva Pro affiliation program by going directly into canva.com/affiliates. Once we are in here, what I want to do is to click into the option that says join now. I'm going to be showing you how does this actual stuff work, and then later on I'm going to be showing you how that we can earn money using the actual Impact application. Now, Impact is the application that can be helping us to receive money directly from Canva. So what I want to do now that we are here into the app.impact.com is to focus into complete the application for Canva Pro affiliation program and hit into sign up. So now it's going to be appearing in the Canva contract terms of use. You wanted to check it out, all of the information, the condition, the customer status is existing. As you can see, you have the schedule, the subscription trial, how much money you're going to be earning. So for example, when someone makes a subscription charge, you're going to be earning from 15% to 80% of dollars. So I'm going to be earning the 80% of the order sale amount, for example. When someone makes in category is 2, I'm going to be earning this one. If someone makes the yearly, I'm going to be earning 50%. All others is only 0%. Payout restrictions, for example, if the item subcategory is not Canva Pro yearly, of the list order promo is code exceptions. So just check it out that we have a lot of specification terms in order to earn the money. Once you have successfully read all of the general terms, I'm going to cut down here. I'm going to check out my file here, and then I'm going to focus into accept. Now it's going to be asking you to sign in or to sign up from Canva. In our case, let's go and focus with sign up with our email. Now here what I want to do is to first input my first, my last name, my username, for example, this option. I have my email address. Of course, I want to use the email address of not personal for my business actually, and here I wanted to import an actual passcode. Now, it's really important to have your mobile number from the country you're currently living, otherwise it's going to be a little bit hard to enter here, just in case you have any question, just in case you have any issue there about payment, payrolls, and all that. You want to accept the terms of service, and if you want to receive the latest partnerships, news, and all that, hit into accept and hit into get started. Now that you have successfully entered, what I want to do is to input my information. What I want to do is to sign into my impact.com application. So I'm going to be showing you how does this actual Canva stuff affiliation works. So check it out. As you can see, we are checking out the actual balance of my account. We have the left part. We have here our account, we have the search bar, we have the notifications, and we have the actual link. Here is our today's earning, the total pending money we have gained so far, and the balance that we have available inside our actual application. So as you can see, here are the expected payment dates. We are inside June, so I'm just gonna wait a few seconds here until I earned my money. So now what I want to do is to go into the home section. Now that you know like how this actually works, is to starting by creating an actual Canva link. Let's say that you have some social medias, let's say that you have TikTok, let's say that you have Instagram or whatever, and you wanted to show, you wanted to talk about how this Canva works, and you want people to let them know what they can do inside Canva, and of course you wanted to offer them a actual trial version. So I'm going to go into my actual app of the impact.com, and here I have the create a link. So inside the create a link, I can promote any brand with a simple link. So I can choose this option, and I just have enabled Canva. So I click here and I entered a landing page optional covered. So maybe you can choose advanced if you want to, or whatever you are interested in, but in my case I think it's just gonna leave it at that. I need to create. Now this link is going to be used to promote the Canva linked updates, maybe take up to 5 minutes to propagate. So if I copy my link, I'm going to hit now into view all just to make sure that I have a few links here already been enabled. If I have this link, I'm going to open this into a private window. So I'm going to check it out how this my link is going to be working once the people clicked into my link, my affiliation link. So I'm going to click now in here. I'm going to hit into searched. And check it out that we have the plans and the pricing here. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and I want to make sure that people have here the start your free trial pro trial. So when people clicked into my actual link like this, they should see this actual banner that says Canva Pro, try Canva Pro for free actually. So when they hit I'm gonna automatically hit the affiliation process inside my account, which in my case is in here. And as you can see here are my programs. If I go into create that link into the left pod, I can do exactly the same things. So it's actually working. I'm gonna hit into copy banner link and do exactly the same process, just to copy and paste to make sure that I want to have this actual banner. In my case, this link actually works from Spanish. So since my audience is from Spanish, as you can see, we have the start your trial of Canva Pro free in Spanish, of course. So my link is working. My link is working for them. And I'm just gonna go back here inside. I'm gonna just click into the X mark once again. I'm gonna go back into my inbox.com. Once you have made a few money, what I wanted to do is to go into my home sections. And here, what you have, I have the total earnings. I have the pending and the balance. Down here, I have the snapshot. So the snapshot is going to be showing me how many people clicked into the link that I just gave them, and where those guys actually came from. Let's say that I want to choose not from June, but let's go for the last 30 days, for example, and hitting to apply. So now, as you can see, we have a lot of people that clicked into my link. So I have like 10, 13, 7, 20, and I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Now check it out here. I have the actual Canva. There are a lot, but truly a lot of clicks into this month. We have 300 clicks, but only 8 actions. So with 8 actions, I made my sale amount of 2000 MXN. And I'm going to be earning 50% of this, which is 1000 MXN. And here are my total earnings. So what does this information actually tells me? This tells me that, of course, that I needed to do is to try to level up the actions and level up a little bit more the clicks, because what I want to do is not to make people only click into the link. I want people to actually do an auction when they clicked into the link that I just gave them. So I'm going to scroll a little bit down here. We have the referral tribe. We have the performance by referring to domain. And as you can see, like there's a lot of people that clicked into my link using YouTube. Like this is like the most and more important part. I have the actual YouTube. So once that I have just checked it out, all the information, I can start to send my money directly into my account. So just use that link to send it directly into a social link. Let's go, for example, into, if I'm making a YouTube video, I can be telling you like, hey guys, you can try Canva Pro totally for free into the link that I'm going to leave you down below in the description. So when people click into that link, you're going to be earning a few rewards just by referring Canva inside your socials. So this, guys, how we can get started here earning money into Canva affiliation process. You can see my account is actually working. It's looking really great. But if you wanted to do this like daily, you might want to let's say improve your sales stuff. So with that being said, guys, hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And well, with that being said, I might see you on the actual next video.